Daddy.
Hi, Mom.
You wanna see your dad ride a horse?
I wanna go on the back.
Oh, no, it's only a single one. We'll see if you can. Oh.
Ay, wag niyong gayahin yun, ha?
Oh, for professional only, guys.
Can I sit on Daddy?
Hindi muna, baby. I don't know how you will do it. You're gonna talk with dad later on.
Ay, ano yun? Ano na, walk lang, walk. Oh.
Go fast.
Hindi maririnig ng horse yan. Magwala.
No, Lira. Dirira, Brad. Ayaw na diya, kanay bayi. I was telling your dad not to go there, not to go there, because there's a female horse. He'll get distracted.
The horse?
Yeah. He gets aggressive.
Attracted?
Yeah, attracted to the female.
But then why is it aggressive if it's attracted?
Because
Nadiyaw, daghan man. Meron pa din po dito yung isang squad. Yung mga walang tali. Oo, pagala-gala, kung saan-saan kakarating. Ah,
oh, daddy, oh.
Dad back, Marcos.
Yeah, he's going fast.
Going back.
yeah. Like that.
Yeah.
Bago, Mark.
Ano daw?
Naninibago, parang tanduay lang. Hey.
Oh.
Pandadas. Good boy. Come here. Pandadas. Come here. Dili, uncle. Uy, balik. Lisod siya pugnant, diba? Napag-iikuan. Di, di nga. Side. Ay, nalasing na.
Napapasubo ng mga tao.
Where's the horse?
Come here, red horse.
Red horse. Red horse na lang ho, Zach.
No. It's sweat. Dug 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 dug. Dug 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 dug.
Dapat pala nag-stretching ka, dad.
Kaya nga eh.
Kaya ka sana nung ano, may pang-warm up sa taas.
Oh.
Yung mechanical bull.
Oh.
Hey. Sanay siya ng ano, sinasakyan siya. Kasi maliit pa yung puyan siya sumasakyan nila.
Ah.
Lalaki ho, kaya aggressive nung makakita ng mga babae dyan.
Mm.
Tapos pag inhit, di ho kasi yung babae na aamoy nitong lalaki.
Ah, okay.
Kaya ganun sila kan.
Kaya pala.
Minsan yung iba na ano sa tali nila, nakakawala.
Kakawala ako, nagpupumiglas eh.
Minsan yung babae.
What are you doing, Tito?
Yeah. What?
Your shirt.
Yeah. Naunong. Ayos.
Abdi, are you gonna bring this horse to Chicago?
No, we can't.
Ay, dito pala si McNeil.
Come on, you wanna ride more? No, you can't go fast. It's so hard to hold.
Ano Brad, ipadagan pero angkas mo.
Yeah.
Lisod man, nice saddle.
Uy, bisag kikilom. Okay, size 14.
Mongol eh.
I-walk lang nimo, i-walk.
Don't matter.
Don't go behind the car.
Gusto mo uli?
Oh.
Oo.
Wait.
Mommy, is
Yes.